Hello, guys. I want to explain to you what happens with a virus and what's going on in your body with a virus and why you can't stop a virus. Now, here's a human cell. Here's a virus. Now, what a virus will do, it will attach itself onto a receptor or go inside the nucleotide of the cell, and it will take over DNA translation transcription. So the cell will not be able to translate itself, and it will inject an mRNA into the DNA sequencing, so your DNA will start making more and more viruses until the cell bursts and it just has more and more viruses. And the reason a virus does it is because a virus cannot translate itself. It needs to steal our DNA and our sequencing to make more and more viruses. And this is why you can't stop a virus. Now, here's the world, right? Now, let's say that Tom has the virus. He'll give it to Sarah. Sarah will give it to John. John will give it to Paul. Paul will give it to Mary, and Mary will give it to Steve until it goes around the entire circumference, the entire world, until it goes back to Tom. People don't realize that the world is cold always. If it's cold in the southern hemisphere, it's warm in the northern hemisphere. It's cold in the northern hemisphere, it's cold warm in the southern hemisphere. And this is what happened with a virus. Now, a virus has to do this to survive because it can't translate itself. So it has to steal our DNA sequences to do this. And this is why you cannot stop a virus, because it will just always keep going around the world, infecting one person until it goes all the way back to the other person. But a virus doesn't want to kill its host. It just wants to take control of this until it can leave the host and move on. But with this virus, it's causing us to stop our breathing, and because this virus can be very aggressive. But this is why you can't stop a virus.